Hey, Gary Baker here with you from 30minutemarketing.net. How to get more views on YouTube. Simply turn off your camera. Let me explain what I'm talking about. YouTube is a search engine. One of the biggest, if not the most searched for terms on YouTube is how to. How to do something. Not how do I look, how entertaining am I on camera, but how to accomplish something, how to learn something, how to fix a problem. Again, how to get more views on YouTube. Turn off your camera. Think about what your audience needs, not what you need. Also, turn off your camera if you're not comfortable with the camera on you. Don't think you need to be on camera to be a success at YouTube. Look around at a few of the channels and see what they're doing. There's no talking head, there's no image of them dressed up, there's no image of them trying to be something they're not. It's just simply them showing people how to do something, how to solve their problem. So, how do you get more views on YouTube? Think about what your audience needs. And of course, this is going to depend on what your channel is about. Take my channel, for instance. There's lots of times that I'm on camera. There's lots of times I think it's very important for me to be on camera because I'm connecting with you one-on-one and I'm using the camera as the lens into your world. It's like making eye contact when you're having a conversation. But sometimes I'm making strictly how-to videos where I'm showing you how to do something on the computer, how to configure groove pages, how to use Content Samurai, how to set up tracking links in Warrior Plus. You don't need to see my face in reality to learn how to do those things. So for me to give you the content that you need to satisfy your searcher intent, to help you solve your problem, I simply turned off my camera and I show you what you need to see to help you accomplish what you need to do. Because that's the point of YouTube. It's not about me, it's about you. So, how do you get more views on YouTube? Turn off your camera. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget, 30-minute timer here on the end screen. Click that timer, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, just like the other videos you see here on the end screen. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.